Meaning of guy rope.
Guy rope.
Guy rope.
Guy rope.
Guy rope. A guy rope is a type of rope or cable that is used to provide stability to tall, vertical objects, such as poles or tents. Guy ropes are typically secured to the ground or another stable object and then attached to the object that they are supporting. They are often used in camping situations to prevent tents or other structures from collapsing in high winds. Guy ropes can be made from a variety of materials, including natural fibers like hemp or synthetic materials like nylon. Overall, guy ropes are an important tool for ensuring the stability and safety of tall objects in a variety of contexts.